In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop feeling overwhelmed using Todoist in just 5 minutes. Feeling overwhelmed is something we've all experienced at one point or another, especially when juggling multiple tasks. But with the right strategy, you can manage your tasks effectively and regain control. To begin, let's talk about something called a brain dump. Whenever you're overwhelmed, the first thing you want to do is spill out everything that's on your mind into Todoist. Don't worry about sorting or organizing right now. This is all about capturing your thoughts. You can use a temporary project like Brain Dump or perhaps the Inbox feature to keep everything in one place. This way, nothing important slips through the cracks, and you can see everything laid out clearly. Once you have everything listed, the next step is to prioritize your tasks using due dates and priorities. Be realistic with your due dates. If something truly needs immediate attention, assign an appropriate deadline. Todoist lets you rank tasks by priority. P1 is for urgent, can't be missed tasks, while P4 is for those of lower priority. An effective tip is to limit your P1 tasks to just 3 to 5 each day. This keeps your workload manageable and helps in focusing on what truly matters. Now it's time to create projects and sub-projects. Breaking larger, daunting tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks is a game changer. Let's take a look. If you have work as a project, it might include sub-projects like reports, emails, or meetings. Similarly, under personal, you might have family, health, and finances. Organizing this way brings structure and clarity, allowing you to approach your tasks with a clear mind. To refine your workflow even further, use labels and filters. Labels such as quick while important or waiting can add context to your tasks, making it easier to access and tackle them later. Filters are powerful in Todoist, letting you create views like today and quick, which highlights quick wins for the day, or overdue P1 to show high priority tasks you've missed. This organization allows you to target specific tasks efficiently without wading through everything at once. Lastly, it's crucial to time block with reminders. Allocate specific chunks of your day to focus on tasks by using the calendar view in Todoist. Set reminders, especially for those crucial tasks that require your timely attention. This ensures you're not just keeping tabs on your tasks, but also actively making progress throughout the day. By following these strategies in Todoist, you can transform that overwhelming feeling into one of efficiency and productivity. Embrace this new system and you'll find it much easier to manage your tasks, making overwhelm a thing of the past. Stick with us for more productivity tips and tricks, and see how seamless your task management can become.